There's something about him, isn't there?
Another week here at the shop, guys. We got a lot of stuff going on this week. We had to pick up a bunch of vehicles already today, and I'm sure there's gonna be more coming. The Infiniti G37 IPL, the front bumper wrap is removed. We got the new wrap in. We're gonna get that one knocked out, so hopefully it'll leave probably tomorrow morning. We need the space anyways. Yukon Denali, we did some work on previously, curb rash a couple wheels, getting those fixed. We put a pedal commander on this vehicle. I've never dealt with pedal commanders before, but they work. I mean, they make the pedal way more responsive. But yeah, we're doing that. We're doing some more tint on this vehicle, and then this one will probably get to go tomorrow. We got Vic's Raptor here. We did a lot of work on a while back, and this one, we kind of imitated Framber Valdez's Bronco Raptor off this truck. Same wheels. I think they're a little bigger tires than his. But this one's got 37s, 22-inch KG1 sport wheels. Addictive Designs front bumper with some, what lights are these? Baja Industries lights. We're wiring up these lights right now so that the new person that bought the vehicle can enjoy them. We also did a custom orange Lambo interior on this one. Kind of wild. We got a couple touch-ups. Then we need to clip the seat back in. But yeah, this one's a badass truck. We did a lot of work to this truck. This is what you'd expect to spend 20 grand to get. I mean, this is a full wrap, color matching, Icon Industries lift kit, or level lift, I should say. It's got a lot of stuff on this truck. We got a Yukon from our buddies over at Robin Chevy. This one's pretty much blacked out already, so we're gonna end up doing some wheels. Probably the bow ties in color match, calipers, color match, top half wrap. That's about it on this one. This one's kind of a simple build. Ford Explorer, top half removal. Irby, thank you for giving me all the chaos. But yeah, Ford Explorer wrap removal is it's not fun. And Irby always likes to send me the not fun projects. So Irby, next one better be fun. Vic's 911, rear bumper's wrapped. The mirrors are done in pink. You'll see why shortly. Hopefully by the end of this video, you'll see why. The Yukon wrap has started. This one is going satin black with the chrome delete done in gloss black. You can see it's gonna look good. It's like every other satin black and gloss black Yukon, but it looks good. This truck's almost done. We're waiting for a couple more pieces to come back for paint. For the grill, door handles are on. We still got to wrap the top half on this truck, and then this one will be good to go. It's got to go in alignment as well. The guys are working on the door jamb Chevy Silverado. This one is a big project, so once the wrap is complete, we got to do the 6-inch lift on here, the 2412 American Force wheels and 35s. Chris is showing the rookie how it's done, even though the rookie's been here for 2.5 years now.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get in.
Suburban is done. It's got the 34-inch Nitto Ridge grapplers on it. That one's gonna be leaving here tomorrow. The Mercedes is also done. That one got the trim piece replaced, as well as touch-ups on the PPF and a quick polish on the hood. I guess you got some water spots on there, so we had to get that cleaned up. Shop truck sitting here looking pretty. Vic single cab. We got to do a couple more adjustments on it to get it perfect. And then he needs a bed liner as well. We got our friends over at Texan GMC sent us a black and a white Sierra. The white Sierra is actually on its way. But one of these trucks we're doing a lowering kit on. I think one of them we're doing a leveling and make it look good. The last one we did lowered with, what were the 24s in that one? That one sold pretty quick, and I think they like that truck. So probably imitate the same thing on this one. But yeah, so got all this stuff going on. We need more space. If you know of a shop that is just available for lease, let us know. We need more space. Another day here at the shop. I know you guys don't like seeing me as much. I don't know why, I look so handsome. But we're gonna show some more vehicles and more of the guys working on the vehicles, because that's what you guys wanna see. But GMC 1500. I know you haven't seen one of these before. Yeah. GMC 1500 AT4, Duramax. This one's getting a bed cover, a backflip bed cover, powder coated wheels, and Victor is working on the tint right now because we're trying to stay legal, so we're gonna keep it legal. We got Norris here working on that same Mercedes A-Class. That one should be done. What do you think, Norris, today? That one will be done today. You heard the man. We got, guess what? Another GMC 1500. You're gonna see a lot of those today. But we got Trent working on the top half wrap right now. It's also getting the chrome delete. The lift is already done. Alignment needs to get done. The grill and everything needs to be put back together. And a few more pieces of chrome delete need to get done. But, I mean, it's a good looking setup. It's a mag ride setup. So we did a 6-inch rough country with factory upper control arms for right now. Dealership wants it that way just for warranty purposes. We got 35-inch Patagonia XTs, 20x10 Fuel Rebels. It's an AB setup. It's pretty easy, pretty nice. Rides really well. Rough country skid plate up front. The front. So what goes into a chrome delete? A lot of people ask what happens in a chrome delete. It's a lot of painting, a lot of wrapping, a lot of disassembly, reassembly. But that bottom fascia got painted. It's not rock chips on there right now. I swear, it's just wax residue. The tow hooks got powder coated. The whole grill got painted. It's sitting over here. Whole grill is painted. Still got to get polished out. But that's what happens in the front end. The window trim gets wrapped. The door handles get painted. The mirror caps get painted. The fender trim gets wrapped. Side steps get wrapped. New badges go on. We don't paint the original badges and put them back on. On the rear, we get powder coated exhaust tips, and then it's also getting new badges in the rear, or well, painted GMC badge in the rear, and then new Sierra and Denali badge. Behind Logan, guess what it is? Say it with me, guys. GMC 1500. This one's just getting a leveling kit, color matched bumpers, and new wheels and tires. So this one's a pretty simple setup. It looks good. Why change it up more than it has to be? The red Silverado, red, orange, I don't know. It's a hot rod red is what they call it. But all this size door jambs all completed. The actual doors are completed. But yeah, still got a few more things to do on that one before we actually get it up on the lift. The lift, wheels, and tires will only take a day, so it's more of the tedious wrapping that it's taking the time, but it takes a lot of time. Chris is here working on Vic's Porsche, which should be done tomorrow?
Yeah, tomorrow.
Done tomorrow. You heard it here first. We got to put the duck bill on, then the engine bay cover, the GT3 style wing, the roof spoiler, the last part of the roof, and one mirror. Did you show them the wheels yet? They're pink. Yeah, it's wild. We got to paint the calipers in purple. We're putting pink Porsche logos on there. Pink mirror caps. And then what else are we doing pink? So end plates of the wing are going purple with a pink pinstripe, and then a lot of the decals and stuff that are going on the car are going pink as well, just to tie it in. I know people are wondering, why are you doing purple and pink? Well, if you look at certain angles in this car, you'll see a pink metallic flake to it. Ties it in really well. Let's see what we got outside. Big news, my F-250 sold, not my Corvette. Corvette's still for sale, come buy it. Otherwise, I'm gonna make bad decisions and keep it. And to your left, we got another GMC Sierra 1500. This one's getting fully murdered out, a leveling kit, some 20s and 33s, No, 22s and 33s. Yes, the white truck's getting 20s and 33s. This one's gonna be a basic blackout. Everyone loves it that way, so why change it? You know, I'm a firm believer in if it's not broke, don't fix it. GLS 63, we just picked this one up from our friends over at Mercedes Woodlands. This one's just here for ceramic coating. So this one should be a pretty quick turnaround. Not too much to say about this. These are pretty badass though. Logan got to drive it today and now he wants to be a mom. All right, so we got some updates for you guys. Updates. The GT3 style car, the 911 Carrera S. This one is almost done. We got Kevin polishing the wheels right now. Of course, that's paint to match the vinyl itself. So that is getting polished up. Once that's done, that can go on the car, get it on the ground. We got a couple more decals to install, but other than that, the vehicle's pretty much ready. We also painted the calipers in a purple to match the wrap, as close as we could with the pink decals. I think it looks pretty badass there. The pink makes the calipers pop for sure. We got the pink mirror caps. We got pink decals going on everywhere. The pink little pinstripe on the side plates of the GT3 style wing. What are the pink? Oh, side stripes are going on and a hood stripe if it gets here on time. We got a Kia Sorento in. That one's just getting new wheels and tires. Those should be here pretty soon. This one's just waiting here to get picked up. The GLS 63, that one got its full decontamination wash, clay bar. It's getting alcohol wiped down right now. We got to do, I think, a little bit of polishing on the gloss black trim, and then we can ceramic coat it. These things are pretty badass. 7-seater, 600 horsepower or 580 horsepower, whatever it is. I mean, it's kind of cool. Actually, no, this is it is a 7-seater. I thought it was an 8-seater, but no, 7-seater. Badass car. We got our buddy Whitney's Corvette here. This is finished in Cacti over natural interior. This one's getting some side skirts on here, ceramic coating the interior, ceramic coating the exterior, and then ceramic Evolve tint on here, 70%. He didn't want any darkness to it at all. He wants everyone to be able to see inside. That's what we're getting with that 70% tint. The 6-inch lifted truck is getting trimmed up right now, then getting sent for alignment because that truck is pretty much done, ready to go back finally. And we have the Silverado. That one's still getting work done. It's a lot of work. It's time consuming, and thankfully we have customers that are very patient with us and let us do our job and do it the correct way. That's one thing with us. We don't like to rush anything. If it's not going to be done right in a timely manner, we'll let the customer know right off the bat, hey, it's going to take a little bit of time, but we'll get it done the right way. We got GMC Sierra on the lift. The new wheels and tires are on. The level is on. The fender flares and the bumpers are already color matched, so all that's good to go. I think all we have to do on this is put the front fascia on and the grille and trim it up, and it's ready to go. So if you guys see right to my right, we got a Ducati Panigale V2. This is for my friends over at FullSquid. You can actually enter to win this bike. It's got to get cleaned up today, but other than that, it's a sick bike. I haven't rode in a little while. I sat on here today for the first time in a while. Brought back some memories, and I jumped off real quick. We also got a black C8 here. This one is our friend AK's over at Beck & Baston GMC. This one's getting a full wrap in Inositech Spectrum. He just got new wheels on, and of course NTB installed them incorrectly, so we're gonna switch that around for him as well. But yeah, this one's gonna be a crazy, crazy C8. Next to it, we got a GMC 2500 from our friends again at Beck & Baston. This one's getting a full tank replacement, so it's got, I think, a factory 35-gallon tank. We're putting a 56-gallon tank in it. It's gonna make it easier for the long hauls.